MKS pedals, FD-7. Now this is the wide version. This is, as far as I'm aware, the biggest folding pedal that they make. Why did I want a folding pedal all the way from Japan? And if it folds up, it makes the bike a little bit more accessible to park it in different places. And that's the biggest reason. Or if you have to put it in the back of the car or store it somewhere, it just makes it a little bit easier. So let's get it open. And I also wanted a pedal that was alloy and not plastic. So I'm actually replacing a plastic pedal. And this is, I think, one of the few, supposedly it's the biggest folding pedal that they make on the market. And also the fact that it's alloy, that makes a big difference. The weight of this one is 562 grams, which is 1.24 pounds. So basically 1.25 pounds. Let's see, a little bit of oil on here, all the way from Japan. So you push that in, fold it up. FD-7 wide, I think they both work, locks in place, and then has the reflectors on both sides. Push the button, simple, locks in place. These are pretty standard, from what I understand, to get them in the bike. Also, let's take some quick measurements. Now, this is 92 millimeters, which is 3.62, almost 3.75, 3 inches and 3/4. In width, which is 92 millimeters, that's how they advertise it, and 110 millimeters, 4.33, 1/4, yeah, 4 3/8 inches front to back, and from here to here, 3 5/8. That's the measurement I take. Now the regular one, and there's a link in the description below if you want to purchase the regular size from Amazon, and that's 2.64 in width and 3.58 in length. So almost in width, 1 inch shorter, and in length. So sometimes your foot will fall off when you're riding. This should prevent that. It's big enough. I mean, for people who have big feet, biggest feature is this, and the fact that it's an alloy also. And locks in place, seems to be pretty sturdy, has the grip and the built-in reflectors. Okay, let's also give you the distance from front to back. So well, the pedal's going to go in, so that doesn't matter. But when you close it, what's the difference from here to here? That's about a little bit less than 2 inches, 1 7/8. From here to here, 1 7/8. From there to there. And I think that's an important measurement also. So you know the distance when it's closed, saving you a little bit more. So hopefully this helps you, and I'll do a video of it on the bike also. If you want the regular FD-7, link in the description below. Like and subscribe, because I need subscribers and I need people to like the video, because I need to get to 1,000 subscribers. If you buy it, Amazon might give me a couple dollars. I can't complain about them a lot because they did give me $27 recently, but that's for like a year or something like that. So I don't know, maybe 100 years ago, $27 wasn't worth that much, but like and subscribe, please. So here we have it installed on the bike. Press, fold. Super easy. Locks in, alloy. Press, fold. Press, fold up. Already used it, took a couple inches off, trying to get through a doorway. Locks in really well.